What if I told you that you could create your entire preschool curriculum within a few minutes with the use of AI? Now, whether you are a preschool owner who is planning to build your own brand or someone who's planning to start your own preschool in the near future, this video is going to be a game changer for you. One of the biggest challenges that I've seen in the 12 years of my working with preschool founders is curriculum planning. It is time consuming, it requires a lot of experience, plus the curriculum available on internet is quite generic and templatized. But not anymore. With the use of tools like ChatGPT, you can actually design customized, age appropriate, and curriculum that is aligned with the National Education Policy 2020 in just a few minutes. And in this video, I'll step by step show you how to do that. I'm going to use ChatGPT and show you how you can create weekly, monthly, and yearly curriculum for playgroup, nursery, junior KG, and senior KG. And if you wait till the end of this video, I'm also going to tell you how you can download the exact prompt that I'll be using while I create this curriculum. Okay. Now, before I start, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon. Now, when you subscribe to my channel, it motivates me to create more such videos. Plus, it will also help you because whenever I upload any such video on my YouTube channel, you would be the first person to get notified. That's why please subscribe. I'm going to give you 5 seconds and I want you to subscribe to my channel right away. Thank you. So let's get started and I'm going to take you to my screen now. Okay. So now the first thing that we are going to do is go to ChatGPT. Okay. Now what I've done is I have already drafted a prompt. Okay. The exact prompt, which I'm going to show you now. Okay. The whole prompt is drafted into 2 parts. Okay. So I'll show you the first part right now. And then what is to be done when is the second part of the prompt to be given to ChatGPT is also what I'll tell you. The very first part, I'm just going to read out few lines of the prompt to you and explain you how this prompt has been written and how it will cover all the points. Okay. So the prompt says, you are an expert early childhood education curriculum designer specializing in national curriculum framework for the foundational stage under India's NEP 2020. Your task is to develop a comprehensive year-long preschool curriculum for an Indian preschool. Okay, so I have very clearly mentioned for an Indian preschool that runs 5 days a week, 3 hours daily, including a 30-minute snack break from June to April. Okay, now according to your requirement, you can definitely make changes in this because I have mentioned 5 days a week. If you are a preschool which also works on Saturday, so accordingly you can write. Then next I have mentioned the curriculum must be separately tailored for 4 classes. Playgroup, I have also mentioned the age 2 to 3 years, nursery, junior KG and senior KG. Each class curriculum should reflect age appropriate developmental milestones and learning readiness. Now what's the output that I am expecting or I want? So I have told ChatGPT in the prompt that monthly material list is something which I want. Okay. I have also mentioned that I want the lesson plan for each month starting from June to April. Okay. Then these are all the details which I have mentioned, like weekly number, day number, and session number. So when ChatGPT will give us the curriculum, it will break it down in terms of month, week, and day and session number. Okay. Then I have also mentioned minute to minute detailed lesson plans. I've explained in the prompt what exactly I want. Okay. So you can pause this video and you can read this. Then I have also mentioned in the 4th point, ensure the curriculum revisits key concept with increasing complexity across weeks and months using thematic units relevant to the Indian cultural context. Okay, because we are drafting this curriculum for an Indian preschool. I have mentioned this. Point number 5, I have also mentioned include notes on how to adapt activities for children with diverse learning needs. Okay. And what I've done is I've also given ChatGPT a template in terms of how I want the curriculum to be written. Okay, so I want week 1, day 1, session 1, 30 minutes. Okay, so all that I have explained. And lastly, to conclude, what I have mentioned is please generate the full detailed curriculum for all 4 classes one by one. First for playgroup, then for nursery, then junior KG, and then senior KG, following the above format. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is copy this whole part 1 of the prompt. Okay, starting from you are an expert. Okay, I'm going to copy this and go to ChatGPT. Okay, and in a new window I am going to paste this prompt. Okay, now ready to see the magic happen? Let's do it. So I'm going to click on enter. Now you can see on the screen what ChatGPT is doing for you. Okay, so it has already started writing the curriculum. Okay, it has mentioned preschool curriculum aligned with NCF 2020. Playgroup, first it is writing the curriculum for playgroup for the first month. Okay, so it says class playgroup 2 years, 2 to 3 years, month June. See, it has also given the theme. Okay, theme, which is myself and my family. It has also given us a list of all the materials that will be required. Okay, to execute this curriculum in the month of June. Okay, so A4 sheets, colored paper, crayons, blah blah blah, puppets, story books, rhymes. Okay, all the material list is given, so you are very well prepared at the beginning of the month. Now let's see how it has given the week 1 curriculum. I had asked for it. I had asked it to give it in a specific format. So day 1, it has given session breakdown. So session 1 is going to be of 30 minutes, which is arrival and circle time. Okay, and it has also broken down what is to be done in the first 5 minutes, then in the next 10 minutes, then in the next 10 minutes, and then in the last 5 minutes. Okay, so the whole breakdown is given. Not only that, it has also given you objectives. Okay, so what is the objective behind conducting this particular session is settling in and name recognition. Okay, materials, name cards, floor mats, so what are to be used. And it has also given you a tip. Okay, use gentle tone, engage parents for the first day if needed, and how to assess. It has also given how to assess. So note the child's response to name and comfort level. Okay, then similarly it has also given the breakdown for the session number 2, that is for 30 minutes, which is free play and exploration. The breakup is given here. Again, the objective is mentioned. Similarly, it has given for session 3, objective, session 4, okay, and session 5. So the whole 3 hours it has broken down and given you what is to be done in which session, along with the list of materials. And also it has given what is to be assessed in a child after each particular session. Okay, now it has also given you the themes for each month. Okay, July is colors and shapes, August is animals and birds, September fruits and vegetables, and so on and so forth. Okay, but now it has given us the curriculum only for the month of June. Now that is where the prompt part 2 is going to come into picture. So let's go to the prompt again. So now I'm going to copy the part 2 of the prompt. Okay, what I mentioned is, can you help me continue this structure week by week for all 4 weeks of June, And similarly, for each month, write curriculum for all 4 weeks instead of only 1 week. Okay, so that is what I have given in as a prompt. Now I'm going to give this prompt here. Okay, so I'm pasted the prompt here and click on enter. Okay, now let's see how ChatGPT will start writing the curriculum. Okay, it's updating the curriculum. So initially it had just mentioned the curriculum for the first week. Now I have asked ChatGPT to write the curriculum for all 4 weeks of the month of June. Okay, so now if you scroll down, it has started writing. So see, this is week 2. Okay, session 1, session 2, session 3. Then in week 3, it has mentioned session 1, session 2, all 5 sessions. Okay, week 4, it has again mentioned my feelings. Okay, focus theme. Okay, so now what it is asking is, I've expanded the curriculum to include for all 4 weeks of June for Playgroup, detailing each week's theme and session structure. Would you like me to now proceed with July week by week curriculum for Playgroup, or move on to nursery or June? Okay, so now I'm going to tell ChatGPT that I'll just copy this. Okay, so you'll have to keep giving a prompt because ChatGPT is not designed to write so much of text in one go. Okay, so I'm going to say, please proceed with July's week by week curriculum for Playgroup. Okay, once I do that, it will write me the curriculum for the month of June, the week wise curriculum for the month of July. Okay, so this way, what you'll have to do is, after each prompt, you'll have to copy this curriculum, put it up in a Word file, and then give the next prompt. Okay, so this way you can get the weekly, monthly curriculum for all 12 months of the year with the help of giving prompts to ChatGPT. Okay, similarly, you can also try giving prompts for and ask ChatGPT to help you design a complete curriculum for daycare. Okay, it can also help you with the structured summer camp plan for April and May. Okay, so once you start using ChatGPT, that the possibilities are endless. Okay, so now, as I said, I am going to tell you how you can get this prompt so that you can use it for writing the curriculum for your preschool. Okay, what I'm going to do is, I am going to put the link of this prompt in the description below. Okay, so you can click on that link. Something like this will open. All you have to do is just click on file and make a copy and save it in your laptop. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So bye for now, and I'll see you in my next video.